Every morning we sing Eternal Father, bless our land. But do you know the story behind Jamaica's national anthem? When Jamaica was about to gain independence in 1962, the government decided our new nation needed its own anthem. So they launched a national competition. Any Jamaican could write the lyrics for what would become the song of our freedom. Hundreds of entries poured in from all over the island. But the winning words came from a woman, Reverend Honorable U. Sherlock, yes, a reverend and poet. The melody was composed by Robert Lightbourne and arranged by Mapletop Tully. What's powerful is that the anthem isn't just a song, it's actually a prayer. Every line is a plea for strength, wisdom, justice, and truth. That's why the first words are Eternal Father, bless our land. Not we love Jamaica, because it's a call for guidance, not pride. So the next time you stand for the anthem, remember you're not just singing lyrics. You're saying a national prayer written to bless Jamaica forever. Follow Alpha and Fox for more hidden Jamaican stories they never teach in school.